Okay student, today we are going to learn about that how to animation in the ShapeTwin. First of all, before making any animation in the Animate CC, we have to draw the object. Here I am going to draw the object. Okay student, see on the screen carefully. Okay, first of all I am going to show you that how we can change the one shape to the another shape. That is called the transforming. Means ShapeTwin, it is used to change the one object into the another object. Okay student, now here we are going to start. Next, first of all we have to take a one circle over here. Okay, I am drawing the one circle. Okay, now see here, this one circle has been drawn. After drawing a circle, we have to, then here we are going to change the color. Okay, I am going to change this color. Okay, and to change the color we have to choose from the color from here. If you want to, okay, I am going to choose the color this one. Okay, and we have to change the stroke color also. Means this is the outer side of this is called the stroke color, and we know that shortcut key is the S. Okay, shortcut key is that S. Okay, now here, see here, when I press over here and see here, this option is given over here, and we know that its shortcut key. When I put here cursor, the tool, see here, the ink bucket tool option is called the S. Okay, now see here, if you want to change this stroke, here a stroke option is given, and I am going to change the color of this stroke. Okay, see here, I am going to choose this color. Okay, this one. Now see, the stroke has been changed, and after that we have to select. Okay, see in the timeline view, here timeline view is given over here. If you have not listened, see here, the timeline is given over here. Now you can see here, this is your timeline. Okay, and here I am going to show you how to use this. Okay, this is the timeline, and from timeline we have to click up to the 40. Okay, 40 frame 45. Here I am going to the 45 frames. Okay, here I am going to the 45 frames. Okay, after that we have to click on the insert option. We have to click on the insert option in the, okay, now here I am going to click on the insert option. When I click on the insert option, there is an option that timeline. In the timeline we have to click the keyframe. Okay, I have inserted. Okay, this keyframe has been inserted. Look here. Okay, after that I am going to delete this object. Okay, and after deleting this object I am going to draw the another object. Okay, and to select it, now I am going to delete this object. Okay, and when I delete this object, we have to draw the another, in which shape you want to show that object. Means previous object you want. So I have drawn the previous that circle. I am going to draw the star. Okay, a star. Then we have to click over here and take the star. And now I am going to draw the star. Okay. Okay, this is the star. If you want to change this color, then we can change this color also. Okay, after drawing the star, okay student, now here we have to click the frame 1. We know that frame 1 is over here. Okay, I am going to click on the frame 1. See here, frame 1 is already, we have click over here. After clicking the framework, okay student, click on the one framework, then we have to click on the insert option, and there is an option to change. Okay, create the shape tool. We have to click on the shape twin. Shape twin is from where we have to insert option and we have to click on the shape twin. Okay, and now see the dot line has been drawn to over here. Okay student, now we have, okay, now we are going to test this object. Object should be changed into the its form. Okay, here is the play option. Okay, but we are not going to play over here, we are going to play from this. Okay, option is that control, in the control option, and we have to click on the test movie. When we click on the test movie, and now here we are going to see the effect. Okay student, see the effect. See here. This is the effect of the shape twin. We have learned about that shape twin, it is used to transform the one object to the another object. See here, our object is the circle, after circle become the into the star way. Okay, now we can see over here. Now here we are going to stop this object. I think you have already know about that, how we can convert one object to the another object by the help of the shape twin. Okay student, in the next class we will discuss the next topic. Okay, thank you.